Introducing the GMA app, a revolution in the field of medical education. Experience a transformative learning journey like never before, right at your fingertips.
With the GMA app, you can effortlessly track your subjects and monitor your progress, all in one place. Never lose sight of your educational journey. Experience seamless continuity as the GMA app remembers your last watched video, allowing you to resume exactly from where you left off, even if you had to close the app in a hurry.
Dive into a vast sea of educational content with the GMA app and navigate effortlessly through the waves of knowledge using our comprehensive subject index.
Experience the power of our custom-developed video player within the GMA app, delivering a seamless and feature-rich viewing experience like never before. With our advanced video player, effortlessly seek through the content with minimal lag, ensuring smooth and uninterrupted playback. Customize your learning experience with the playback speed button, allowing you to adjust the video speed according to your preferred pace. Navigate your videos with precision using the convenient double tap feature. Simply double tap to seek forward or backward, giving you full control over your video playback.
Our video player is meticulously designed to enhance your learning journey.
Navigate the vast ocean of knowledge with ease using our powerful search engine, meticulously designed to save you time and help you find the perfect video for your needs.
Prepare for exams with confidence using the integrated notes feature within the GMA app. Our notes make quick revisions a breeze, providing you with a comprehensive review of key concepts right when you need it most. Say goodbye to flipping through pages of textbooks or scrambling to find your scattered notes.
Are you ready to take your medical profession to new heights? Download our app now on both Android and Apple devices and embark on a journey of continuous learning and growth. With our user-friendly interface and comprehensive features, you'll have the tools you need right at your fingertips. Happy learning!